What's going on, guys? Andy here, Cut and Clean Lawn Care. What's going on, guys? Andy back here again, Cut and Clean Lawn Care. Not gonna lie, guys. Blake's beating me to death out here today, guys. And I'm getting ready to go ahead and mow the yard. I got rain coming up all next week. It's been a while since I mowed. I'm trying to let it grow up a little bit. I did some overseeding this year, but I still got a lot of bad spots. We had our roof done in November, and there was a lot of traffic, trucks driving on the lawn and stuff on one side. It wasn't that big of a deal, but just maintenance I'm trying to fix up. So I'm going to get the drone out for once. It's been a while since I had the drone out. We're going to do some footage. And I also got a new toy sponsored by MERZ Farm Equipment. Make sure you guys go check them out. Link in the description, man. They're great people. They post videos, so go check MERZ out. But he sponsored me the Ego Arc Lithium 56 volt handheld blower, because they're a dealer in Ego as well. I got the Milwaukee blower and I got the 60 volt DeWalt blower. And something I'm going to do with a video, and this is more of a price point video than anything, I'm going to have my mom or my grandma come over, hopefully this Easter weekend, and I'm going to get all three of these blowers out. I'm not going to tell them how much each one costs or anything like that. But they're all relative to price points. Not so much one's a 56 volt, one's a 60 volt, one's a 18 volt. You know what I'm saying? Which one they prefer to use as a 100% homeowner. And then I'll hit them with the price point. And we'll see kind of which one wins in their opinions and which ones they choose before they even know how much they cost. So that's a video I'm going to do. So thanks to them for sponsoring that video coming up for the blowers, the Ego. I haven't even opened the box really yet to get it charged up and use it. I'm going to use it in this video because I just want to see what it's like after I mow the grass. So let's get the drone up in the air. Let's get some shots going, guys. Let's cut some grass real quick. Alright guys, just got done with a quick cut, a quick mow if you would. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this 56 volt Ego Power handheld blower. Again, shout out to Mitch MERZ and the guys over at MERZ Farm Equipment. Make sure you check their channel out, guys, on YouTube. He sponsored this, threw it my way. Like I said, I got some videos to do. But I'm going to check this thing out real quick and let's see how it does. I don't even know if I have that much grass to blow off, but we'll see, guys. Let's check it out. Something I will go ahead and say about this is after using it for the first time, it's definitely got a lot more power than I thought it did. Once you hit the turbo button, if you're talking just regular, as far as power goes, it's got a little bit, which isn't bad by any means, but once you hit the turbo, there's a big difference in power there. So that's it, guys. Just mowing real quick before the rest of these storms come in Easter Sunday. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. In real life and cutting clean when I be leaving everybody's stripes so clean. You wanna get mad and invade my space because I can leave a sidewalk edge so straight. But you must be out of your mind cause I'm in my prime. You probably think that it's a crime designing my stripes. You better just be taking a hike if you in my eyes, cause Blake will go up to your truck and cut up all of your trim.